Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. In this episode I won't be really showing a recipe. This is more a breakfast idea. I really can't think why I haven't filmed this before because I usually make this on weekends when I'm craving more of a hearty breakfast. I usually just make this with sausage and egg. Sometimes I add some herbs like parsley or dill, and if I'm really feeling cheeky I might add some cheese to it. As you can see, this is a very versatile recipe and a really good stomach filler because you have sausage and egg, which are basically loaded with protein and calories. So I hope that you enjoy this episode. So basically what you'll need is a sausage. Let me just show you what I got here. This is called grillworst in Dutch. This is basically just a sausage that I like. You can basically choose any kind of sausage you like and work with that. Also, you need eggs. I usually take 2 to 3 eggs depending on how hungry I am, and pepper. That's basically it. Sometimes I use a bit more of seasoning because it all depends on the type of sausage that you're using. This one is pretty spiced, so it has paprika, it has I don't know what kind of spices, but it's pretty filled with spices, so I'm not going to go heavy on my spices. So I'm just going to add a little bit of pepper. But this is the basic recipe. I'm not calling it a recipe. It's more of a way how I eat my breakfast sometimes. Let's do this. So this is as straightforward as it is. Take your sausage. I'm just eyeballing this and cut it up the way you like. Ooh. Possibly cut out some pieces that you don't like about your sausage. I am not particularly fond of these hard bits, so I'm just going to take that out. And now I'm just going to cut it up into quarters, a little bite-sized quarters. There we go. So I'm just going to set this aside, take a bowl and crack the eggs in there. You can also do this straight into the pan, but I kind of like to group them. So when it's time to add the eggs, you can just add them at once and not be concerned about cracking them one by one. And that's it for the prep work. Take a pan, add some olive oil, put it on a fire, and of course, let it get hot. Once the oil is hot, add in your sausage and fry it until it starts to look golden brown. The sausage is starting to look a bit golden brown and crispy, so now it's the time to add the eggs. Lower the fire to medium-low. Now, what you'll need to do is play the waiting game until your eggs are fully cooked. And there you go, it's done. Just like to crack some pepper over it at the end, just a light seasoning. And that's it. Just take a plate, serve it up. And there you have yourself some sausage and eggs. Not really a recipe, I just wanted to share with you guys my breakfast sometimes. Since Tess isn't here right now, I'm just going to do a quick taste test like this. And I already know that this is going to taste great. Usually take some bread with this also. Every time I make this, it's as good and it never gets old. Sometimes I switch it up with the sausage, but the basic thing always keeps me satisfied. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. If you did, you can always leave a like or subscribe to our channel. We post a video every Wednesday for you to devour. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.